In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a Zoom meeting, a quick session that should take you about 5 minutes. This process is incredibly useful if you want to ensure everything is set up correctly before attending or hosting an actual meeting. So let's jump right into it without further ado. First, you're going to need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Simply type in zoom.com in your search bar and you'll be directed straight to their homepage. Once you're here, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a sign-in button. Click on that. You'll need to log in with your Zoom account credentials, so have those ready. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts to get set up. Now that you're signed in, let's head over to the test session URL. In your browser's address bar, type in zoom.com test. This URL will take you directly to the Zoom test meeting page. This is where you can verify your audio and video settings in a simulated meeting environment, which is particularly handy if you want to troubleshoot any technical issues before joining an actual call. Once you've reached the test meeting page, you'll be prompted to join the meeting. Click on the button that says Join or Join Meeting. This will initiate the launch of the Zoom client on your computer. If prompted to open Zoom meetings, be sure to allow it. It might take a few moments to set up, so just give it a second. You should be aware that during this process, Zoom will check your audio and video capabilities to ensure everything is functioning as it should be. As you join the test session, Zoom will provide you with options to test your audio. You'll notice prompts guiding you to check your speaker and microphone by playing a sound and speaking into your mic. If you can hear the audio playback and your mic is picking up your voice as expected, you're good to go. If not, Zoom also offers troubleshooting tips to help resolve any issues you might encounter. One more aspect to cover is your video setup. Make sure your webcam is correctly positioned and displaying good quality video of yourself. This preparation lets you adjust the lighting or camera angle before any real meeting, ensuring your video is clear. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've ensured that your Zoom setup is ready for the next meeting you're planning to attend or host. It's always best to check everything in advance to guarantee a smooth and trouble-free experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in setting up your Zoom meetings.